Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to reset Microsoft Excel to its default settings. To reset Excel to its default settings, you can do the following. We will use PowerShell to reset the Excel. Open the Start menu, type Windows PowerShell. Select Windows PowerShell as admin. Copy the below command, paste it in the PowerShell, then hit enter. This command is for 2016 and later versions. After these steps, Excel should return to its default settings. If you are using older versions, you can use other commands, which are in my description box. Let me know if you need further help. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Comment below what you'd like to see next.